Little pit bulls are getting big. Huh? They're trying to eat the same food. Y'all aren't ready to be weaned yet. Although they're rooting. I'm rooting over there. Here you go, Mama. 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 Hey, will you stop it? Look at all the little piggies. Think it's feeding time. Spider-Man, if you don't stop it, I'm gonna whack you in the head, son. Like a big old dog. Like a big old dog. Mama, here. Spider-Man, stop it. I'm gonna ride you. I'm gonna go 90 on you, old son. There you go, Mama. There you go. Come on, let's go over here and feed Ethel. See how her little pit bulls are going. Here you go, Mama. Yes. Yours are just so cute. Yours are just so cute. Oh, yes, you love them eggs, don't you? Yes, you love them eggs, don't you? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What are you doing, you big goober? Huh? Mama's little piggies are looking cute. Oh, you trying to eat some... All right, and that's going to call it for today, folks.